So hi guys, welcome back. Let's do today the dessert. So today is gonna be baklava. So what we need is one bag of phylo pastry, cup and a half ghee, 3/4 cup syrup or maple syrup. The normal syrup I make it in konafa video if you like to have a look at it. I use maple syrup, but you can use honey too, like any kind of syrup you want. And 3/4 cup of pistachio, crushed pistachio, not salted. So let's do it. So we're gonna add some ghee to the baking pan, just to be ready. Here, every 3 pieces separate, put some ghee. And 1 line of pistachio. Build it like this and I'll make it tight as we can. See, roll it from other side. And we cut. Easier for you guys to, if you hold the whole thing, you put it inside and cut it inside the baking pan. It's up to you. And we start with another one. To make it easier, add some syrup, like 2 spoons or something, to the pistachio, so it's not gonna run away when you roll it. And you cut. And we keep doing this. More thin. If you don't do it fast, you need to cover what you don't use because it's gonna be dry. And always, once a while, you take only 1 sheet and you put the small pieces, so you're not gonna waste them inside, like that. And you do the same step. still doing moist, and the same result. I heat up the oven at 350 just to make it hot. After that, we're gonna put it at 200. The rest of the ghee, guys, we will add on top. So we add the rest of the ghee on top, guys. I preheat the oven for 350 degrees, and before I put the baklava, I will put it at 200 or 180. Around 20 minutes, but we keep watching because we don't need to burn the top. So about the syrup, guys, to make konafa, baklava, you have to be one of them cold, one hot. If the syrup cold, the konafa or the baklava has to be hot. If the konafa or baklava cold, you have to use the syrup when it's hot. Different than basbousa. Basbousa, when we make basbousa, I will make it in video one day. Has to be the syrup hot and basbousa hot. So here, guys, around 20-25 minutes, it depends the oven. I check it out, and it looks beautiful. Like a golden color, you don't need more than that because it's gonna be darker when you add the syrup. Add the syrup now. And we keep it to cool down, and we're gonna try it, but I can't smell it. I will garnish with some ashta. It's like kind of heavy cream. It's ashta, ask for it from Arabic store. It's like heavy, very heavy cream. In the middle like this. Garnet seeds. And we will serve those, guys, when it's cold. So let's taste this, guys. Bite. I'm not gonna say nothing, but it's beautiful. You will enjoy it, guys. Bye.